Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gela, also known as @Gelabeef on the World Wide Web. If it is your first time here and you're like, who is this blue-haired woman? I know it has been a while since I have sat down and made a video. The last time you probably saw me, my hair was blonde and I was being proposed to. Spoiler alert, I said yes! Anyways, and no, this is not a life update video or a wedding video, although that is coming up in the next few weeks. Today, before we continue, it would be awesome if you would hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me. Road to 1 million, joke lang. Pero you know, a girl can dream. What am I saying? Okay, for today's agenda, we are going to unbox this Stylegenie subscription box. What is this box? What is Stylegenie? Etc, etc. I am gonna tell you guys in a bit, but if you do follow me on Instagram, you would already know that I am part of Stylegenie's Style Capsule campaign, and that is why I have the box. So I wanted to experience this with you guys. I've never had a style capsule. I've never had a fashion subscription box, so I wanted to unbox it with you so you know we can experience it together. So what is Stylegenie? Stylegenie is a fashion subscription box with outfits and clothes inside that have been expertly curated just for you by the roster of stylists. Imagine having your own online personal stylist that will help you think of outfits for an event that you have to go to, or if you want to change up your wardrobe, or if you want to build on your wardrobe. And it's super easy. All you have to do is go onto their website like I did, fill out a style profile, pick out what subscription box fits your budget, or what box do you need for your current lifestyle, and then in 5 days it will be delivered to your doorstep, just like this one. And now that you know what Stylegenie is, I just want to quickly share with you guys what a style capsule is and why Stylegenie is doing this and why I'm passionate about it. There's probably a better way of explaining what a style capsule is, but what I'm getting is it's minimizing your wardrobe to a few key pieces that you can easily mix and match and wear throughout the season, throughout the year, while sometimes you will add in seasonal pieces to continue to build this style capsule wardrobe of yours. And I think it's also a step into living the minimalist lifestyle, which I really want to know more about. If you guys are practicing it or know more about sustainable fashion, slow fashion, minimalist living, please comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your insights, or any tips that you might have. Which leads me to my next point and the reason why Stylegenie is doing this whole style capsule collaboration with Zalora, and it is the fashion revolution, which after hearing about it is something that I really want to be a part of. So if you guys want to know more about it, I'm gonna put a link down below. It's fashionrevolution.org. And if you guys are interested, go on to stylegenie.ph and check out the style capsules, which are available for pre-order until October 10. Without further ado, let us unbox. First, you get this box and you get your name, so it's very personalized, style for Gela. And I'm guessing since I'm representing the normcore fashion, do I need scissors? Be right back. I'm gonna get scissors. And I am back. Ooh! There is a note. And this is what it looks like. Gela, I hope you like the 10 staple pieces that I specially picked out for you to ultimately have that normcore style. Keep things neutral by wearing your turtleneck with culottes and sneakers for a perfect look. Love Stylegenie. You open it. Ooh, okay. So for the first item, we have this basic black spaghetti strap flowy tank top. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, next we have a white ribbed turtleneck. For that, we have a button-up nude sleeveless top. Next, we have a Uniqlo white tea. I wish I opened this earlier. I needed a white tea yesterday, but here we are. Thank you, and I love you, Nico. And white teas are very essential. I think this is such a good piece to have in your style capsule if you are thinking of building one, because there's so many ways to wear a white t-shirt. Next, we have another one from Uniqlo. It is a sweater top. It's so cute. Once again, it's ribbed, and I think it's knit is a better way to describe it. Next, we have this mint green seafoam green dress. Seafoam green dress. It's long and it has a slip on the sides. Oh, there's also accessories. I did not know. We have Sunny Studios. What is it? Ooh, cute. They are yellow sunnies with a rose gold trim. Also earrings from Moxie. They are wooden earrings with a gold detail. Oh, these are chocolate brown culottes. Oh my gosh, I love culottes because they're so comfy, and I wear a pair to work almost every day because they're so comfy and yet they're very suited for work. And again, there is a slit on the side. I can't wait to wear this. I'm loving the color palette, by the way. It's all neutral and it is indeed very normcore. And last but not the least, the last item in the box. So I'm guessing that's 10 items. The last one, guys, fun fact, I don't own a hoodie, but now I do. My wish has been granted by the Stylegenie. This is a slate gray hoodie, super cute. This is so cute. I need a hoodie. I can't believe I don't have a hoodie, but now I do. So now that we have unboxed everything and I am loving it all, I'm going to try to mix and match these items and come up with a few outfits so you guys can see how I maximize this style capsule. I'll also be adding in the pair of jeans that I am wearing because I believe it is essential for every wardrobe or style capsule to have a really good pair of jeans. So let's get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you liked what you watched, hit that like button. And also, I hope you guys can hit that subscribe button as well. I hope to post more in the coming weeks before I get married or before 2018 ends. So please pray for me and let us all not procrastinate together. Again, I'm Gela and you're watching my vlog. Bye! See you in the next one.